You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words once and for all correctly, the British English and American English pronunciations. Although, if you want to learn more pronunciation, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. This is the more American English spelling, so that would be the pronunciation splendor. Splendor. Now, the British English pronunciation, splendor. Stress on the first syllable, splendor, or in American English, splendor. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.